Here's how you can transfer your eBay listings to WooCommerce in under 2 minutes. We will be using the EasyChannel software to transfer the listings. You can check out the link to a free 14-day trial in the description below. First, you will need to link your eBay and WooCommerce stores by going to your profile in the bottom left and selecting integrations. Here, simply sign in to link each platform. Next, we'll go to the products catalog in the left side menu. On this page, click Import Products in the top right, and then Import Products from Channel. Select the eBay account you just linked and click Import. Once the items are finished uploading to the products catalog, select the listings you wish to transfer and click on Publish to Channel. Pick your WooCommerce store from the drop-down menu and add the default template. This will transfer the title, description, images, and price. If you need to transfer additional fields, this can be done with mapping templates. There is a link to the mapping templates guide in the description. After you've picked the template, click Publish as Live. When the process is finished, you should see a green check mark next to WooCommerce under the Channels section. You can verify the changes were successful by going to your WooCommerce store to check the listings. If you found this feature helpful, you can check us out at EasyChannel.com. We offer a wide range of tools to help you manage and grow your online e-commerce stores. Thanks for watching. Till next time.